Very good afternoon, good morning, and good evening whenever time you are seeing this session. So, today we are going to perform an activity which is based on chemistry class 10th, and this is the third experiment of chemistry. So, without wasting our time, we will proceed to our practical. So, this is Sorby, and today we will perform the relative reactivity of metals. First is zinc. What we take copper sulfate solution, aluminum sulfate solution. Take 20 ml of solution of copper sulfate, aluminum sulfate and ferrous sulfate, and in three different beaker. First of all, zinc metal pieces in the watch glass. Take some zinc metal pieces using a force and drop into the ferrous sulfate, aluminum sulfate and copper sulfate solution. Now wait for the 1 hour and see the changes in color of the solution and the metal. In the copper sulfate solution, what we observe the blue color of the copper sulfate in the beaker become the red brown particle of the copper, settle down at the bottom of the beaker. Now it indicates that Zn is more reactive than the copper and displaces from CuSO4 solution and become colorless to form ZnSO4. In case of aluminum sulfate solution, no color change is observed. It means Zn is less reactive than Al, so it cannot displace the aluminum, form Al2SO4 का whole thrice solution. Now we have the ferrous sulfate solution. Green color of ferrous sulfate solution disappeared. The iron settled at the bottom of the beaker. It indicates the Fe display from FeSO4 and Zn is more reactive and no color solution is formed. In case of copper, we take again solution, aluminum sulfate solution and ferrous sulfate solution, and take say 3 beaters separately and piece of copper in a watch glass and put it into the ferrous sulfate solution, aluminum sulfate solution and the zinc sulfate solution. Similarly, you can see in the screen as well. Leave the beaker undisturbed for 1 hour and note the changes in the color of the solution. It appears the appearance of the metal as well. There is no color change in the three of the salts as well at the appearance of the metal pieces. Zinc sulfate in this reaction is less reactive than other three metal, that is aluminum, zinc and iron, so it cannot displace these metal from their salt solution. Now we have the aluminum. Take 20 ml of copper sulfate, zinc sulfate and ferrous sulfate into the beaker and some aluminum metal pieces in the watch glass. Put it into using forceps into a beaker containing ferrous sulfate, zinc sulfate and the copper sulfate solution. Leave the beaker undistributed for 1 hour and note the changes in the color of the solution. In case of copper sulfate solution, the blue color of the copper sulfate disappears and the red particles of the copper settle down at the bottom of the beaker. It indicates aluminum is more reactive than copper and it displaces the copper from CuSO4 solution and form a colorless solution of Al2SO4 का whole thrice. Now we have, in case we see the changes in sulfate solution, it remains colorless and zinc particles settle down at the bottom of the beaker. It indicates that the aluminum is more reactive than zinc and it can displace zinc from ZnSO4 solution. It forms colorless solution of Al2SO4 का whole thrice. Now we have the ferrous sulfate solution. We see the green color of ferrous sulfate disappears are settled down at the bottom of the beaker. It indicates the aluminium is more reactive than iron and it can displace the iron from FeSO4 solution. It forms a colorless solution of Al2SO4 का whole thrice. Now we will take another metal, that is iron. Take again 20 ml of copper sulfate, zinc sulfate and aluminium sulfate in different beakers and some iron metal pieces in the watch glass. Using the forceps, add 2 pieces of iron into the beaker containing aluminium sulfate, zinc sulfate and the copper sulfate solution. Leave the beaker undistributed for 1 hour and note the changes in the color of the solution and the appearance of the metal as well. In case of copper sulfate solution, the color of copper sulfate changes to light green and red brown particle of the copper settle down at the bottom of the beaker. This indicates iron is more reactive than copper and it displaces the copper from CuSO4 solution and form a light green colored FeSO4 solution. In other two cases, there is no changes in the color of the solution as well as the appearance of the metal piece. This indicates iron is less reactive than other two metals, aluminum and zinc, displaces these metals from their salt solution. Order of reactivity. From these reactions, we can infer that iron is able to displace copper from its salt solution, zinc is able to displace copper solution, salt solution, and aluminium is able to displace the zinc from its salt solution. Now this is all about the reaction. So thank you for watching and be safe and all the best for your future. Thank you so much.